You can go down, okay? Jump! Careful. Action video. I actually video that.
Oh. Not yet, kitty.
Okay, so what we're going to do, this is called British Bulldozer. I hope you like it. I'm a British girl. And here's my friend Haley and my little brother. And my BFF's brother Tom. What we are going to do is we are going.
Your brother likes me.
We made this thing on the side. We put all the blankets pretty much in the house, almost. So let's get the view from this side.
So, am I going to go down now?
No, it is going to be Tom. And then everybody's going to go to the view from the
I want to jump down. Case, I want to do it now.
Both of you are
Case,
going
you're
to.
not British.
Both of you are going here. 1, 2, 3. Sorry for the talking. Now more for the action. Everybody. Can you see?
We're going to do it together. Case, we're going to do it together. We're ready, Case.
Don't hit the camera.
We are. Come on, Tom, get on. Wait. Everybody's going. Oh, wait. Everybody's going. You sound like you're just big as like that. I can't breathe. I'm on. Guys, everybody off me. Get off me. Casey, you first. You can lay down. Then me, and then Tom. What? I did it. No. Case, get on. Hurry before Tom does. Oh, it's falling. I know. Get on, Tom. Okay. All right. Where's the camera?
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, God. Oh, very good. Thanks for watching.
Tom, why did you?
Thanks for watching. Please leave a subscribe down below. Thanks for watching this on YouTube.
Chicken!
Ouch! Okay. See you later. This is 2 minutes long. See you later.